That's not good. Not good at all. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that rear end goes this way and then it takes a south turn and goes that way. Well, we got it torn apart. Pulled the hubs off, pulled the third member out. Can't get this one off because this right here, you can see that nut is bent. So we're not going to worry about pulling this hub off. It's warped anyway. One side done. Got to repair that spring mount up there. We got our spring mounted right here. Just waiting on we lost a part to our welders. The only reason why we hadn't got that done yet. So, but anyway, we are getting closer. About got it done, ain't we, Matthew?
Yeah, we're trying.
We're gonna make it Saturday if it don't rain out.
Well, yeah, should.
Hopefully.
Gotta check everything again. Double check, triple check.
All that and then some.
Yeah.
We're about tired of having bad luck.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But we'll get there. Hey, we got a win anyway. Heat race win.
Yep.
We're tickled about that yet. We'll get there with some more. As long as luck rolls our way. But you just never know. You got to take them all. But anyway, I'm turning this camera every which way and loose. But alright, I'm gonna get off for a minute. Alright guys, I wanted to make an outro to this video. I ain't gonna be on here too long. I got a lot to do. This is Friday. We've got the car back together. As you can see, got brake fluid on the floor where we had to change calipers. The caliper brackets on this rear end was for the big front calipers, to where the rear end we had before was set up for the small calipers. But we changed that out. Got the spring mounts back up in there. Wound up getting some new clips and new bolts and everything for all that. And this side over here was tore up. I just had to weld the bracket up in there. So anyway, it's back together. Drive shaft's in, as you seen on the video just a little bit ago. But yeah, we've still got to try to get this thing on a set of scales and see where we're at. But also got to weld our rear bumper on here. As you can see, it ripped our brackets off, and it don't look like it stuck real good on the weld. It pulled the weld out everywhere, but I don't have the greatest welder. This old welder here is an old, I'm gonna say it's close to 30 years old, but it's an old Metalmatic 130 XP. But It does pretty good most of the time, but my lead's all messed up. It don't want to spit out gas, and I lost the tip off of it, so I took a piece of pipe and made one, and it just ain't working right. As you can see up in here, this dirt dauber mess right there is, it's not any gas flowing right here. There was up here, but it wasn't welding right, but I did get to make a bracket. So anyway, this one here is still in the stock form. We got shims on that to on our extensions, and try to make our shocks work like we're wanting and all of that. But anyway, we're trying things this way and that way, but we may have to come back and revamp on some of that. But anyway, we're going to get around here, finish this video out, finish my cup of coffee. Yeah, it's a Christmas cup, but oh well. I'm gonna get around here. I had a guy, an old racer. He's not an old racer. He's a racer from back when I raced back years ago. Hollered at me the other day. He seen a post on Facebook that I had. He told me that he had some parts and pieces that he had over there, if I wanted them to come get them. So I'm gonna go get some parts, possibly a couple transmissions and some hubs and whatnot. So anything like that we can get for some help, I'll guarantee you we appreciate it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get off here. We'll catch you later. Next video you see, we'll probably be at the racetrack again. I am going to this afternoon to Newport Dragway to the Mega Cash Days. I'm not going to be able to go tomorrow where the big money race is, $100 grand to win, $100,000 race. I really wanted to go to that, but with this car going, we're not going to be able to swing it. Well, I could, but I could probably watch some of it, but then I'd have to run back home, hit Batesville. So it's races don't start tomorrow till 1 o'clock, I think it is. And then, but we need to be loaded up and leaving out of here by about 4:30, 5 o'clock. So, it's just really not feasible, and it's about 35, 40-minute drive to Newport. So anyway, we're gonna get some video of that. Tonight I'm going to try to clean my phone up just a little bit, maybe delete a few videos that I've got stored on here from the past, and then see if we can't get a little video from tonight. But anyway, I'm going to get off here, guys. We're going to holler at you later. Russell here saying God bless you, and keep a hammering, guys.